This is my submission for the Funimation FireForce and signed, autographed copy. As you can see behind me is in fact the FireForce right behind me, because there was a trash can on fire. I will show you a video of. So I've never heard of FireForce beforehand, but hopefully after this I will be watching the FireForce anime. And this is me, of course, because that is the FireForce. They are out in force right now. So this is definitely, see back there, a prime example. This is July 4th, so happy 4th, and there were fireworks inside that trash can that was on fire that the people that were in that apartment did not know about.